26 CR 002646, State versus Daniel David Garza. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Credit from the state.
Impagayos Carrillo for Mr. Garza.
And are you Mr. Garza?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's the court's understanding there's no application?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, there's no application. Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garza, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did, counsel, I'm sorry,
It's okay.
not sign it, but did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
Mr. Garza, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is competent.
Mr. Garza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? You need to speak up. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Counsel, do you have a trial court certification?
I did. You gave it to me here.
Thank you.
Mhm.
If you're not a citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 134 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense and state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Judge, we are proceeding exhibit number 1 and the contact.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Yeah.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Sorry, sign it in all the appropriate places.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he just made a very bad decision on that day, and so we asked the court just to follow the probation, the plea deal.
All right, the court will sentence you to 134 days on the Bexar County Jail. I'm sorry, in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. How much time does he have in? All right, the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. If you have a drug or alcohol problem, that can be addressed. There are plenty of places in San Antonio that are free. And the other thing, just as a side note, you are not allowed to ride bicycles on sidewalks, and you're not allowed to walk on the street. Walk in the street if there's a sidewalk provided. Otherwise, you're subject to be stopped. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Daniel David Garza appears in court on a state jail felony charge for possession of a controlled substance, less than 1 gram. After confirming that he understood the charge, his rights, and the consequences of his plea, Garza agrees to plead guilty under a negotiated agreement. The state recommends 134 days in the Bexar County Jail, with credit for time already served. The court reviews the evidence, including police reports and stipulated testimony, and finds there is sufficient evidence to convict Garza. The judge formally finds him guilty and sentences him to the agreed 134 days in county jail. After credit for time served, the judge states that the judgment is satisfied. Before ending the hearing, the judge reminds Garza that because this is a felony conviction, he cannot legally possess firearms or ammunition. She also encourages him to seek free help if he has a drug or alcohol problem. The judge's message is simple: take responsibility, stay out of trouble, and make better choices moving forward.